What we're going to do today is replace these cracked headlight bezels, and also I've got a chip in my fog light, so we're going to replace the fog light, and actually we're going to replace both of them. I've got a good set that I pulled out of my parts car. Actually, I don't remember if this was parts car or junkyard, but they're good. They're a good set that's still yellow. The yellow is pretty much gone. So we're gonna do all that. This is a fairly simple job, and it's gonna make a huge difference in the front end looks. Just to look at the other side and see how cracked they are. I've also got a good set of turn signal lenses we're gonna put in, and I need to get y'all's opinion on grill. I've got a new grill insert. We're not gonna put that in this video, but I would like your opinion on it. This one is in okay shape. It's very faded, and it's just needs replacing. But I want your opinion on the new one. Is similar to this color, maybe a little bit lighter. It's just unpainted plastic. But what's y'all's thoughts on color? Should I install it as a lighter color than this, or should I paint it? The two colors I'm thinking of are either black, and it would probably be a matte black. I don't think gloss black would look good here, but I think a matte black would look good, or a charcoal gray. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think on that. But like I said, not the point of this video. Let me show you how to do these. First step we're gonna do is pull the windshield washer bottle out of our way. So now that the windshield washer bottle's out of the way, I can go ahead and show you the turn signal. Turn signal's got a thumb screw right here. Take that thumb screw off, the light's gonna pull out. As far as the bezel, you've got two thumb screws on the bottom. There's one, and there's the other one, and one on the top. There's the top one. So you're gonna take those off, and the bezel will pull off. And it's the same thing on the passenger side. My bezel has one thumb screw post broken off, so only have 1 and 2, but the third one should be down in there, and mine's broke off. And then turn signal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off and get this front end, I'm gonna say stripped down, but bezel's off, turn signal's off, and ready to install fog lights. Now, as far as turn signals, you do not have to take the turn signal lenses off to get the bezel out. I'm only taking them out because mine are cracked all over, and I've got a nice new looking set. As far as getting the bulbs out, the socket just twists out. You don't have to even unplug the socket. Now that we've got all this apart, we can take the fog lights out. Like I said, this is all extra stuff I'm doing. If you're just replacing the bezel, no need to undo the turn signals or the fog lights. We're gonna undo these two, or loosen these two screws, and fog light will come out with the bezel, and then we're just gonna unplug it, and then I'm gonna put my new ones in. So I'm gonna take care of that real quick, and we'll come back and we will have nice yellow fog lights installed. Just real quick, here's the fog light lighting, and fog light bulb is in there. If you need to replace the bulb, just push in on this clip, squeeze it together, and flip it up, and then your bulb will come out and you can replace it. my bulbs are good, tested them out, so we're ready to put the fog light back on. We're gonna slide this little rubber boot back on. We'll lock the little tabs in here. The light itself will fit in the notches, and just make sure your writing is parallel or horizontal. And I'll tighten these down, and then real quick, these are Bosch turn signal lenses. These are used, came off my parts car. They're in real good shape. So I want to put those on, and then we're going to put the bezels on, and I will show y'all the finished product. That's our finished product. Looks nice, huh? And I got to show you the other side too. Looks nice, huh? Had a little bit of an issue. So went to install the driver's side and went to put the bezel on. I think these are like headlight doors. I forget what they call them. And what do you know? I got 2 lefts or 2 rights. So that's no good. I gotta go back and see what happened there. But yeah, they were actually a gift, but I had them on a wish list, and I don't know if I accidentally put 2 of the same ones on, if I put 2 rights on, or if the order got messed up. And I'm guessing I screwed up and accidentally put 2 rights on. I don't think they would have, because they're different part numbers. I don't think they would have mixed them up. I don't know. I really don't know what happened, but I'm gonna try to see what happened and probably just go ahead and order a left, and I'll just have a spare right. So I'll bring y'all back once it's done. This one is actually off my parts car. I felt like it's a little bit better shape than my other one. Not much difference, but I had taken these to the parts car, the ones that came off of this car, and so I had to go to the parts car to grab one anyway. So that one to me looked slightly better, so I grabbed it. And the magic of videos, what was split second for y'all was a couple days for me, and we've got the other side in. I just ordered a new one. It's hot outside. I guess I got some sweat on it, but it's installed. So here's our before. There's our after shot. Looks really good. And let me know your thoughts on the grill. Like I said, I did buy one because this one's got a few little pieces out of it. It's very brittle. I'm just not gonna put it in until I make a decision. I think I kind of thinking I want to maybe do I think a charcoal gray would look really good. It's similar color right now to this, maybe just a little bit lighter than that. Which is why I think maybe a charcoal gray would look good, because I think it would match better than the original color. So let me know your thoughts on that, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up painting it. I think it would maybe hold up better over time. It's that paint protecting the plastic. We could always pull it off and repaint it if we need to later on, but I think that's the route we're gonna go. But definitely would like y'all's opinion on it. So nice upgrade for the front end. I'll put a link in the description for the correct left and right, and I'll see if I can find some Bosch corner lights. If I can, I'll put them in there. Like I said, these are Bosch, but I'm sure they're not original. They're probably replacement Bosch lights. Good quality lights. These might be called headlight doors. I can't remember. I call them bezels, but whatever. I think they're Euro brand. They seem to be good quality, nice thick plastic. We'll see how well they hold up, but I like them. So I think that's about all you can get on these. New is Euro. I don't think there's anybody else making them, but yeah, there's nothing about them that I see that would make me question quality or anything. You know, they seem to be well made and they fit well. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more. Also, if you haven't seen it, we did a video on LED headlight conversion with these Gila H4 housings. Take a look at that video. Nice upgrade for these cars. It's got great headlights now, and to me it looks good, especially with the new, well, the better used yellow fog lights. It looks really good on here. So I'm going to track down an oil leak. That's not from my car, that's AC water from my father-in-law's, but we're gonna try to track down another oil leak on this thing. So got it up on the stands. Anyway, I'm rambling. See y'all in the next one.